Do not be afraid of geometry nodes. Getting into geometry nodes can be scary, but here's a quick tutorial to get you started. How you doing today? My name is Samuel Jordan, and this is World Wide Web. Today we're going to be creating this cool effect in Blender using geometry nodes. Let's get into it. First, duplicate your object, then hide original. Then add a Decimate modifier. This modifier is to lower the poly count and increase the performance. Lower the ratio of the Decimate modifier just enough to keep the shape of the object. Then hit apply on the Decimate modifier. Head over to your geometry node page. Hit new, then hit Shift A, and then add an instance on points. Then add an icosphere as the mesh for your instance. Make the subdivisions 3 and the radius 0.009. Plug the mesh into the instance. To control your newly added icosphere, you will need an empty. Hit Shift A, add an empty, and move it to the front of your object. Hit Ctrl A and apply the scale option to your empty. Drag your empty from your scene selection into your geometry node tree. Hit Shift A and add a mesh line. Then plug in the location to the start location. Change the count on the mesh line to 1. Add a geometry proximity node for its distance. Plug in mesh to geometry. Change the geometry proximity to points. Add a map range node. Connect the distance to the value. Change to maximum to 10.3. Add a color ramp. Connect the map range result to the color ramp. Under the color ramp tools, flip the color ramp. Then connect the color ramp color to the instance on point scale. Change the empty object info to relative. Use color ramp for better control of your geometry nodes. Unhide your object to wrap up this effect. Thank you again. This is Samuel Jordan at World Wide Web. Make sure to like and subscribe.